What's up everyone, it's Dom the Tastemaker. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Nadula Hair, and today I'm reviewing none other than this beautiful glueless bob, you guys. I love everything else about this unit. I love the color for it. I like the fact that this unit came pre-plucked.
To you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
I don't really do bobs too often, and I like sometimes bobs for me is like a hit or a miss. Like sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. It honestly just depends on the construction of the unit, and this one I actually really do like, except for one thing, and I'm gonna get into that in just a moment. But I don't have any product adhering this unit. I stayed true to that. The only thing that I did use was just like a little bit of hairspray on the top half, but I didn't use anything to adhere it, so you can still lift it up, pull it on down, and you're still good to go. So that's the beauty of it. The only thing about it is, for me, this unit does fit a little bit on the larger side because I do have a smaller head, but also when they do these glueless units, yes, they do put the elastic band at the top, but they still need to put the adjustable straps in the back. They do have this like thing in the back where it's like almost like a grip strip, if you will, and it basically helps it like not move, but it's too big for me. So the unit right now is like sitting over my ears. Up closer for you guys so you guys can see, like my ear is inside of the unit, so I can take this and like pull it off of my ear. So right now I have it like that because if I try to put it behind my ear, it makes it like stick out. So I have to like put it over, and in the back it does have the comb, so make sure you keep the comb back there, because if I didn't have the comb, like it would just be so loose and just like big on me. So that's the only thing that I will say, that this is more so big head friendly than it is small head friendly, because I can see how that would be annoying for some people if you're like myself and you have a smaller head. If you guys seen the beginning of this video, you guys saw when I was unboxing this, like the lace was like on point. Before I even took it out of the bag, I showed you guys what the hairline was looking like, and they did their thing when it came to pre-plucking it. So I really did like that about it. I did attempt to bleach the knots on this unit, but I think they dyed this hair like a jet black color, because when I went to go bleach the knots for this unit, I had a very hard time with the knots lifting, and I bleached other hair along with this one, and the other units that I bleached, like the knots lifted and it was perfectly fine, but for this one it didn't really lift like that. So I do believe that they do dye this hair jet black, so just be mindful of that. But other than that, you guys, you know, this is a parting space. It's a very deep parting space. So I want to know the parting space is pretty generous on this unit. And as you guys see, I did do a zigzag part for this bob just to do something a little bit different, because it did come with like a middle part already, and that part was like really good, because even after I like bleached the knots, washed it and everything, like the part was still there. So I like that about it. It was very easy to like, you know, put a middle part. Same thing on this side, super healthy. Love the cut to it as well. It's definitely in like an asymmetrical kind of vibe, you know what I'm saying? Even here you guys can see like the layers in it. So I love the way that they cut this unit. As far as the inches goes, this is a 14-inch bob. I'm not sure on the density for this one, but it's not nothing like too thin or too thick. So I would say it's possibly like a standard 150% density. I don't think it's anything thicker than that, but I like the fact that it's like not too thin, because the main issue that I have with a lot of bobs is that sometimes they just be too thin for me. Like if I don't cut them myself, like with the unit, like a lot of times they're just like, they don't be full enough, they don't be giving enough. So I like the fact that this one still gives. I love the lace on it. It melts perfectly, and you guys saw that this is definitely something that's beginner friendly, and it's work appropriate, it's everyday appropriate, and most importantly it's summer appropriate, because girl, it is burning up, it is super hot. So it's definitely time to pop out with those bobs, because the long hair all down your back, like it's just a lot for this time of year. Like even now, like even if it's like at nighttime, like it still be hot. Oh, the other thing that I almost forgot to mention about this unit is that it is a breathable unit. So as you guys saw, like the tracks in the inside were kind of exposed, and that's a great feature to have, because when you have these installs in, they are protective styles, but you still want to make sure that your scalp can breathe. With a unit like this, your scalp will still be able to breathe, okay? And yeah, girl, that is that on this Nadula bob. If you guys are interested in picking this up, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to this hair. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Nadula Hair, for sponsoring today's video. And of course, I want to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.
Nadula.